Hi everyone, it's Regina with Nightingale Travel Company, and I am here today with another room tour. I am at the Wilderness Lodge, the main lodge on the 3rd floor, and we have a nature view king room, so I'm very excited to show that to you. So let's go ahead and take a look around the room. So when we first walk in, there is a large closet over here with multiple doors, lots of storage space here and a luggage rack. And then up there's an extra pillow and blanket, and I can actually open both sides for you. So there's the other side with the pillow and blanket and extra hangers. So if you have clothes that you'd like to hang up, lots of nice storage here. And then here's another hang-up closet, or I'm sorry, just a standing closet, so you could put your folded clothes in here. And there's a safe. It's a rather large safe to keep stuff. And then they do have the steamer in here instead of an iron, which I think is awesome as someone who doesn't love to iron. That is a nice feature. And I'm going to go ahead and spin around. They have, as like a lot of the rooms are starting to do, the sliding barn door with the full-length mirrors, so you can check yourself out before you leave. And that closes off the bathroom here, which is absolutely gorgeous. Look at this bathroom. Double sinks. And I know I talk about it all the time, but I love the extra lip up here. So of course they're starting to do that in a lot of their remodeled rooms. Makeup mirror in here. So you get a close-up of my face. And the mirror is backlit, so great lighting for getting ready. You have your little vanity kit up there. And then extra towels and tissues. And then probably in one of these, there it is, the hair dryer. And that's soft clothes, which is great. Little garbage can. And this feature is so fun, this, I don't know, it's like a natural stone, and it peeks through onto the other side, so we'll get to see that in the room. So it's double artwork there. And then we're gonna come into the commode shower room. Oh, you guys, look at that shower. With the rainfall shower head and then the detachable shower head for you. And then just your standard toilet, lots of towels, but really that shower is absolutely gorgeous. And they also have still H2O products, but they have the ones that are mounted to the wall, which I actually appreciate. Take a look at the artwork. It's the totem poles from the lobby. And then we're gonna step out of the bathroom, and here's like your little coffee beverage station. They have Keurigs in here, and oh, look at it, it's Bambi. Oh, so fun with that Wilderness Lodge theme. And then you pull it out, you have real coffee mugs, real glasses, which is great. And then you also have coffee mugs, like, so you could take your coffee to the park, which we will do. And then they have the Disney coffee and tea and sugar and, you know, just all the things you need for making coffee. And then below here, they have the beverage cooler. So this is a beverage cooler, not a true mini fridge in this room. There's that. And then large smart TV with dresser. As soon as we walk into the room, these are nice drawers. You could really, I mean, this room is not lacking storage at all in any way, shape, or form. It's very nice in here. And like I said, this is a king bedroom, so you can get a feel for what is in here. Go ahead and go to the bed view here. There is a great mirror, and it's very like natural, almost like it was cut out of the trunk of a tree. Beautiful detail there for the Wilderness Lodge. And like I said, that bathroom artwork, it's glass. It is two-sided, so you can see it in the main room. And then we have a little desk in this room, which is great for business stuff. And then it has USBs and 2 regular plugs. And then take a look at the bed here. This is nice. It's kind of soft and cushy headboard. They're going to that in all of the Wilderness Lodge rooms. And then these cool reading lights, they turn on when you pull them out. And you can adjust how high, how dim and how light it is. So there's that. And And then we're gonna come around here. And this is pretty cool. It's also 2 tables. So for eating and hanging out in the room, you do have the ability to do that with these nice little tables where the one's hidden. And then a chair for sitting here and a chair for sitting over here. And then there's another side table over here. So on that side of the bed, there is no side table, but there's the desk. And then this side has a side table, some more USBs in the lamp, and then also a plug right back there, which is kind of hard to see. There we go, it's a plug. And then in here, just your Bible. But I love this chair for relaxing, very excited about that. And we have a nature view in this room. Oh, look at, we actually look out onto the Cascade cabins over here. So that's what's beyond these trees. Oh, you can see one right there. So the Copper Creek Cascade cabins. And we just have this beautiful pond view for relaxing. And this balcony is rather large. It has a chair, or 2 chairs, and a table to sit at. So there you have it. That was a tour of a nature view king bed room at Disney's Wilderness Lodge. If you liked that video, please like and subscribe. It would do so much for me and my channel if you would do that. And as I mentioned at the beginning of the video, my name is Regina Farrell, and I am the owner of Nightingale Travel Company, and I specialize in planning magical vacations to both Walt Disney World and Universal Studios. So if you are looking to take a trip to the parks, the theme parks, whether they're on the East Coast or the West Coast, or you're planning on taking a cruise, I would love to help you plan that trip. So please reach out. All of my information is linked down below. And I would love to hear from you. Have a great rest of your day. Bye, everyone.